In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace a front strut adjustable camber bolt on a Subaru Forester. It is located behind the front wheel. After you've raised and supported the vehicle safely, you need to remove your 5 lug nuts. These are 19mm nuts. And remove your wheel. After you remove your wheel, you need to remove your top strut bolt. It is a 19mm nut and 19mm bolt. After you removed your top bolt, you just need to loosen the bottom bolt. And that bottom bolt is also a 19mm bolt and a 19mm nut. Your camber adjustment bolt comes with the bolt, a washer, and a nut. You install your bolt from the right. Install your washer on the other side, and your nut. Tighten your nut while holding the bolt. And tighten it down. Do the same for your bottom bolt. Now you want to torque those 2 bolts at 129 foot-pounds. To install your wheel, slide your wheel over your lug nut studs and install your lug nuts. You want to tighten those in a star pattern. And torque those down to 65 foot-pounds. Once you've lowered your car down to a flat surface, now it's time to torque. You also want to torque in a star pattern.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.